So you're ready to apply for your dream job, but you quickly notice that the job posting is requiring you to submit a cover letter along with your resume. Oh crap. Let's face it, no one loves to write cover letters. They're daunting, they're time-consuming, and well, does anyone even read them? Regardless, I'm showing you exactly how to quickly and effectively write a cover letter in seconds using ChatGPT. But remember, it's not just about writing a cover letter, it's about understanding the science of first impressions and leveraging AI insights to make your career story unforgettable. And stay tuned because I'll be sharing 3 essential tweaks to supercharge any AI-generated content, ensuring your cover letter not only grabs attention, but also resonates on a human level. You won't want to miss it. So before we start, tap that like button below and subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, before we dive into the magic of ChatGPT, let's first understand the anatomy of an effective cover letter. Think of it like building a home. You wouldn't start without a solid foundation, right? So we kick things off with your unforgettable introduction. It's your spotlight moment, your first impression. Ensure you pack a punch with a sentence that not only states your intent, but also showcases your fervor for the role. Moving on to the heart of your cover letter, the second paragraph. This is where you connect the dots. How do your skills and accomplishments tie into what the company needs? Paint a vivid picture here, showcasing you as the missing puzzle piece that they've been searching for. Now, here's where you can really stand out, the third paragraph. This is where you set the stage and weave a compelling career narrative. People connect with stories, so tell yours in a way that displays your character, your achievements, and your drive. And remember, numbers speak louder than words, so make it quantifiable. And to wrap things up, the fourth paragraph is your moment to be bold and assertive. You're not just here to express interest, you're here to take the next step. So seal the deal with a strong call to action expressing your desire for an interview. Okay, so with the structure in place, you're set to craft a cover letter that is both compelling and organized. So get your resume ready and the job description, and let's see how ChatGPT can help make this process seamless and, dare I say, fun. So starting with your unforgettable introduction. Let's say, for example, you're applying for a marketing manager position at Tech Corp. You would prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Hi there, can you help me write a really good cover letter for a marketing manager position at Tech Corp?" Let's start with a dynamic opening paragraph that radiates my excitement and passion for the position and aligns with the job description. And to help you get started, here's the job description. And look at that, in just seconds you have a personalized introduction that doesn't just convey enthusiasm, but also mirrors the company's requirements. Now, keep in mind, having the job description at hand is crucial. It's the map to understanding what the company is looking for. With this, you can tailor your introduction to mirror the company's needs while still showcasing your enthusiasm. All right, now you've made your entrance with your unforgettable introduction, it's time to solidify your stance. The second paragraph is where you prove that you're not just excited about the position, but that you're the right fit. Your resume will act as the highlight reel of your career. We're going to extract key achievements and experiences to demonstrate your fit for the role. But real quick, if you're wondering how to create the perfect resume using ChatGPT, make sure you take a look at the video right here, where I walk through the exact process of how to use AI to create a mind-blowing resume, including 7 prompts that you're definitely going to want to use. I'll link the video in the description below. Okay, so your prompt for your second paragraph to ChatGPT will look something like, based on my resume, where I have 5 years in digital marketing, led a successful traffic campaign, and expertise in data analytics, can you help me draft the second paragraph of my cover letter for the marketing manager position at Tech Corp? I want to emphasize how my skills and achievements make me a perfect fit. Here's my resume for guidance. Notice how ChatGPT weaves your experience into a narrative that aligns with what Tech Corp might be looking for. Your resume holds the data, ChatGPT helps turn it into a story. All right, we're on to the heart of your cover letter, the third paragraph. This is where we transition from being a qualified candidate on paper to becoming a more memorable candidate in the recruiter's mind. The power of a story can't be understated. A well-told story can convey personality, character, and values, attributes that resumes can't always capture. So consider a significant milestone in your career. For our marketing manager position, let's say it was the time that they led a team that faced a major marketing challenge, and against all odds, they turned it into an opportunity, boosting sales by 25%. So here's an example of how to prompt ChatGPT. Can you help me frame a captivating career story for my cover letter for paragraph 3? I want to highlight a time when I led a team through a marketing challenge and we managed to increase sales by 25% as a result. Make it engaging and reflective of my leadership and problem-solving skills. Isn't that unbelievable? We just turned a simple achievement into a narrative that resonates. And it's not just about the 25% sales boost anymore, but the journey, the leadership, and the resilience behind it. Now, I don't know about you, but my storytelling skills are not great. ChatGPT does a fantastic job of helping me transform my ordinary information and make it sound interesting. Now we're on to the home stretch. You've made your introduction, showcased your credentials, and shared your story. But there's one last piece of the puzzle sealing the deal, the final paragraph. This is where you make your ask and set the stage for what comes next. And just like in any good story, the ending matters. You want to leave the hiring manager with a sense of anticipation and curiosity about you. So your aim here is to express keen interest in progressing on to the next step. So here's how you would prompt ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I need a strong and compelling conclusion for my cover letter for the marketing manager role at Tech Corp. I want to express my enthusiasm for an interview and discuss how I can further benefit the company. Can you craft that for me? Notice how the conclusion is forward-looking. It's not just about what you've done or who you are, but what you can bring to the table in the future. And that call for an interview. It's assertive without being pushy, striking just the right balance. And real quick, some final thoughts on formatting your cover letter. You see, in our digital age, your cover letter might be viewed on a desktop, a tablet, or even a smartphone. And while your words hold power, the impact can be dampened if they're not presented properly. So what's the solution? 2 words: proper formatting. Whether you're sending your cover letter as a PDF attachment or embedding it directly in an email, it's crucial that it remains clean, readable, and professional. This includes selecting a consistent font, ensuring the right spacing, and yes, checking that it looks great both printed and on screen. And guess what? To make this even easier for you, I've compiled the best practices and templates inside of the Career Advancement Toolkit. It's not just a bunch of templates, it's a collection of carefully curated examples, insights, and best practices that I've put together over the years. This same resource has helped thousands of job seekers land job interviews and job offers at companies like Google, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Disney, CBS. Trust me, it is the best investment you'll make in your professional journey. I'll place a special link for you down below. And finally, it's essential to understand that while ChatGPT provides a great starting point, your personal touch and insights about the company will make the cover letter even more effective and authentic. So always review, tweak if necessary, and sprinkle in a bit of you. And if you're not sure how to use LinkedIn, like what to post in the newsfeed, who to follow, how to connect with people from different places, or how the algorithm really works, then click or tap the video right here for a special LinkedIn tutorial. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.